Good morning. Hi. This beautiful morning, we are going to go Umrangso as our marching programs of labor internationally. We are going to focus these banners on behalf of the international labor programs. We are going to submit memorandum to Honorable Prime Minister of India in this governing body of India government, and we are going to submit memorandum to Director General of International Labor Headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. We are all Central Committee here, and ILO Committee means International Labor Committee. I, on behalf of the President of ILO Full Committee, and Mr. Andrew Timung, our beloved General Secretary, ILO Committee, and Sir Raising Milik, Central Executive Committee of our Karbi Anglong Labor Union, and Mr. Ajoy Rongpi of our Karbi Anglong Labor Union Working President. This is all. We are going to focus this video. Any reconciliation is to be needed, then we are awaiting for the future concerns of our reconciliation. Thanks. Kardom.